So, Google appears to be preparing for an earlier than usual launch of the Pixel 9a in 2025, with reports pointing to a potential debut in March. Priced at $499, the upcoming device is set to deliver notable upgrades in design, performance, and features, positioning it as a strong contender in the budget smartphone segment. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is rumored to feature a modified Tensor G4 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB using UFS 3.1 technology. It will also incorporate Google's Titan M2 security chip, maintaining consistency with the existing Pixel lineup. The device will sport a 6.285-inch display, marketed as 6.3 inches, protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The screen is expected to deliver peak brightness of up to 1700 nits or 2700 nits for HDR content, alongside a 120Hz refresh rate for fluid visuals. A significant design shift is anticipated with the Pixel 9a, as Google may abandon the iconic camera bar seen on previous models. The main camera is rumored to house a 48-megapixel Samsung GN8 quad dual-pixel sensor, accompanied by a 13-megapixel Sony IMX712 ultra-wide lens. Notably, the front-facing camera is expected to share the same 13-megapixel sensor, signaling major strides in imaging performance. Battery improvements are also on the table. Earlier leaks suggested a 5000 mAh battery, but updated reports indicate a slightly larger 5100 mAh capacity. The device will support 23 watts wired charging and 7.5 watts wireless charging, though it will reportedly lack Key 2 wireless charging compatibility. Despite the upgraded battery, the Pixel 9a is said to be lighter than its predecessor at 185.9 grams, with marginally larger dimensions. Out of the box, the Pixel 9a is expected to ship with Android 15, offering an impressive 7 years of software updates, underscoring Google's dedication to long-term support. For users needing mmWave connectivity, a variant will be available for $549, an additional $50 over the base model. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9a? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.